The ongoing 7th China-South Asia Expo in Kunming, capital city of southwest China's Yunnan province, has attracted more than 30,000 exhibitors, representatives, and guests from 85 countries and regions to attend online and offline. Themed Solidarity and Coordination for Common Development, the 5-day expo has set up 15 exhibition pavilions with various kinds of events. Over the past 10 years, the expo has witnessed closer ties between China and South Asia, with the trade volume between China and South Asian countries doubling. When the first expo took place in 2013, the trade volume between China and South Asian countries amounted to less than $100 billion, but the figure reached $197.4 billion last year, with an average annual growth rate of 8.3%. After 10 years of development, the comprehensive expo integrating trade, investment, tourism cooperation, and cultural exchanges has become a name card of exchanges and cooperation between China and South Asian countries and other countries.